Hi everyone, welcome back to Poshana Life 5 minutes hack for Indian foods. Today we are making a simple, super crunchy, filling high fiber salad called high protein chickpea crunch salad. This is one of those recipes you can make in just 5 minutes and it works really well as a healthy snack, light meal, or even a post workout option. So let's start. First, take around 230 grams of cooked chickpeas and add them to a large bowl. Chickpeas are a great plant-based protein source. They're also rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, folate, and so this is not just filling, it also supports better satiety and overall metabolic health. Now let's add some crunch and freshness to the salad. Add one finely chopped onions. Onions give a nice crunch flavor and also contains beneficial plant proteins. Next, add one finely chopped cucumbers. Cucumbers make the salad refreshing, hydrating, and light. It also adds volume, which helps the salad feel more filling without making it too heavy. Now, add one finely chopped tomatoes. Tomatoes are natural tanginess, vitamin C, potassium, antioxidants, and balances salad beautifully. Next, grate one fresh carrot and add it in. Carrots bring natural sweetness, color, and beta carotene, which helps eye health and immunity. Now let's make the salad more interesting. Add one tablespoon of roasted peanuts. Peanuts are healthy fats. Add some extra protein and make the salad more satisfying. Then add some roasted makhana. Makhana gives a beautiful crunch and makes the salad feel more fun and filling. Add freshly chopped coriander leaves. This adds freshness, aroma, and that simple Indian flavor we all just love. For seasoning, squeeze one whole lemon juice and add a little bit of salt as per your taste and finish with freshly crushed black pepper. Now mix everything really well until all the ingredients are nicely combined, and that's it. Your high protein chickpea crunch salad is ready. Look at this, it's colorful, crunchy, fresh, and made with simple ingredients that most of us already have at home. Now let's quickly talk about nutrition. One serving from this particular salad gives, so this particular whole salad makes you two servings. Out of this, one serving gives you approximately 350 calories and 13 grams of protein, 11 to 12 grams of fiber, which includes healthy fats, complex carbs, and a good amount of vitamins and minerals. The best part is the combination of protein plus fiber. This helps you stay full for longer, reduces unnecessary snacking, and supports better food choices throughout the day. Now, if you want to increase the protein even more, here's a very simple upgrade. Add 200 grams of hung curd or Greek yogurt. This makes the salad more creamier, more filling, and significantly improves the protein content, which is basically takes per serving to 22 grams. It can take the protein quality of this meal from good to excellent. So what makes the salad special? No complicated cooking, no expensive ingredients, no fancy diets, just real food with protein, fiber, crunch, freshness, and satisfaction. Try this as an evening snack, light dinner, or a replacement meal, or a post-workout meal. If you have enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more practical nutrition, metabolic health, and wellness content. Protein, fiber, crunch, simplicity. This is Poshna Life. Well-being from inside out.